Alright folks, today I'm going to do a review of the WOTCHA mini body camera. The body cam that I use for day-to-day security purposes. It cost me about $45 on Amazon, has a battery life of 8 hours, comes with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, which will hold about 4 hours of footage. So if you want the full 8 hours, you gotta get a 128 gigabyte SD card. When you continuously record, it breaks the video into 5-minute segments. Each segment is about a gigabyte. So like if an incident happens, you can easily go in and just download just drag and drop the relevant segments into your computer or phone. It has loop recording, which basically means when the SD card gets full, it starts deleting the oldest segments to make room for the newest segments. The quality is good enough for basic security needs. Like even the audio quality is pretty good. You can hear what people are saying in front of you, and you can get some good freeze frames of the suspect. The only downside of this camera is it's not waterproof, so you can't use it out in the rain. Now, what is this camera for? I use it as just a basic security body camera when I'm walking around town, just in case somebody tries to run up on me. It's relatively low cost and has a very discreet form factor. And I use it with a magnetic mount that I bought separately. And it's definitely my favorite body camera because even though it's not as high quality as other cameras like a DJI or a GoPro, it has 8 hours of battery life. So you can just turn it on and leave it on when you're out and about. You don't have to worry about turning it on like right when an incident happens. You just leave it on, and then if no incident happens, you just don't even check the footage. Just let it loop record. And without further ado, here's some footage from the WOTCHA mini body cam. There's a little activity. And once more, here's some casual walking footage. Unstabilized, but the footage should be pretty good if it's securely mounted on a magnetic mount. Standing still, looking around.
How you doing?
Good, how about yourself?
Thank you.
Thank you. That was the WOTCHA mini body camera. If you found this review to be helpful or informative, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Cheers.